Oh, welcome to the mix. And on the mix today, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is talking about a few things, and as you know, Dwayne is always, he's always getting the vibes, giving the vibes on some things, and basically, he's saying that people are trying to get him out of character, and he doesn't like that. He doesn't really like when they get him out of character, but he's speaking on some things. I think you should go and listen to it and draw from it your own opinion and comment, you know, like, share, and also remember that Christmas is coming. It's a time for giving, it's a time for sharing, and it's a time, for happiness. Surround yourself with your family, with people that you love, and keep going, keep giving love. If there's nothing that you have to give, keep giving love, because that's what, something that comes freely and something that we all have within us. So go ahead and watch the video and give your honest opinion. Have a wonderful, wonderful Sunday and enjoy your beautiful day.
They love getting me out of character. They love to get me out of character. And I don't like it. I really don't like it. I don't. Anyways, enough of that. Enough of that. Listen, unprivate your video. The one where you was begging to find out where the video was. Unprivate it. Unprivate that damn video and stop making it seem like I'm a troublemaker. I felt I was doing you a damn favor. You unscrupulous big titty every tongue gal. And you do you realize you love to do you realize you love trying to tear people down? And I should listen. I should expect nothing less from you, because that is who you are. That is what you see. You ask yourself why you are down there, and you will forever stay down there because God don't like ugly. Stop pretending to be I'm holding them down now, because you are not holding. And then she wanna make you see, that's the one is for me. That's the one is move by yourself. Why say stones are for you and then making it seem like say, you know what bothers me? Really bothers me when she tried making it seem like I wanted her to cuss the woman. Listen, can I control it to cuss nobody? How many times I come my page, I'm a dash, I throw stones, and how many times I come my page, I'm a cuss people. Did any of you guys tell me to cuss no one? No, I cuss them my damn self because I can cuss them, and God gave me a mouth to use it. And let me tell you this. Me ear say I'm a bitter. I am gonna come back with that video. I'm just not ready. I'm here with a whole nother conversation. Here what people make that one the turn for now, because I'm gonna come back with that one there, because I'm a bust up some liberty pan this big every tongue careless gal. Cause you're Grace, you're careless. You're careless. That's why you perhaps can't find a damn husband. I'm gonna come back for you on another video. I'm gonna bust up. Hey people, you know she's in her feelings about that mixy, right? She's in her feelings. Listen to the way she talks. Listen to the way the girl talks. She in her feelings. She vexed the woman. She's vexed that the woman took the negative and made lemonade out of it. She's vexed about it. Listen to her. Era, bless it, she listen, she begs. Listen to the way she talks about that whole mixy topic. The one that the woman over saw take and turn make content. Listen to the way she talks. Just listen keenly and you will understand her exactly how she feels. Anyways, I'ma come back for you. At some point today, not on this live. I'm ready to go down in Anna life. No, hello, Scott. Miss Anna dash some stones. In fact, she does some big dirty boulders. She does some big dirty boulders. So here what? Let's listen. Let's listen together and talk about things. People, speak your minds. without hindrance. Over here, you will not be blocked. The only way my admins will block you is if you are disrespectful towards me. So please be on your best behavior towards me. However, talk anything I don't want to talk, me not really care. Listen, me not care a people business over here, and why on earth should I censor any of you? Who can't you stand, Patsy? Who can't you stand? Patsy, who can't you stand? Let me before I get into it, let me find out who Patsy, who can't you stand? I can't stand him. Patsy, please reply. Please reply. You have roughly about a minute to reply. Who can't you stand? Before we go down. I know what you know, Patsy. Don't respond. If that's for me, I don't know, and I'm gonna take it for me. You can just hold a block. Admins, don't worry about this one. I blocked it on my damn self. I don't want no distraction over here. One girl, one. Well, she didn't respond, so clearly she throwing stones at me. Girl, go stand your mother. Go and that's okay. You don't have to stand me. I'm not your child. I'm not your son. I'm not your family. I'm not your cousin. I'm not your brother. So that's okay if you can't stand me, girl. To the left, Patsy, to the left. Yes, right there, so. Anyways, guys, let's go down into good girl she live. I feel our time now. Alright, look go down in it.
Media, me tell you this. I'm tired and sick of you. I'm tired and sick of you all out there in social media. Let me tell you all this, right? Uno, I am a brand ambassador for Tropical Vibes Restaurant and Lounge. And let me tell you all this. And me alone do not have strength for. But let me tell you this. You see the promotion video I put up? Promoting the ball? It not take down. But not take it down. And none of uno on social media can't make me take it down. Uno go on like I say uno old more than anybody else. And uno go on like say uno want to dictate to people. Uno want to run people's life. Uno want to tell people how they must live their life. And everything me do, it's always a problem to uno. Uno big back woman in the social media. Yeah. Everything that I do in social media, uno always have a problem with it. Now, I am the brand ambassador for Tropical Vibes Restaurant and Lounge. They are having a ball, a New Year's Eve ball down there, yes. A formal setting, red carpet style, yes. New Year's Eve ball, December 31st, yes. Right on Lettuce Main Road, St. Elizabeth, right on top of the roof, Tropical Vibes Restaurant and Lounge.